Hi dear all. Today I'm sharing a video on fine motor skill development, which involves the development of the manipulation skills and coordination. So if we talk of hand to eye coordination, between the age of 12 weeks to 20 weeks, the child observes his hands very intently. The child observing his hand very intently is called hand regard. It usually disappears after 20 weeks. If it persists beyond 20 weeks, it is considered as abnormal. Now, after this hand regard, at the age of 3 to 4 months, the child starts bringing his hands in the midline and he plays. And if you will hang a ring or dangle a ring above it, the child will fix the attention and will try to reach the ring with both the hands, which is called a bidextrous approach. So at 4 months, the child develops the bidextrous approach and also brings the hand in midline to play. Now at 6 months, the child will approach an object with a single hand, which is called a unidextrous approach. And if you will throw a cube in front of him, the child will grasp the cube in the crude manner with the help of the ulnar aspect. Also at the age of 6 months, the child starts transferring object from one hand to the other. Then at 8 to 9 months, if the child is grasping the object, the child will approach the object with the radial side. Also, there is a development of the immature pincer grasp at this age. Now, at 1 year of age, this grasp mature. Now, with the help of the index finger and thumb, the child can pick the small objects or palette-like objects, which is called a mature pincer grasp. Now, after hand-to-eye coordination, now we can see hand-to-mouth coordination. At 6 months, the child tends to mouth all the objects around him. And also, if you will give something to eat, the child can chew. But this tendency to mouth everything will abate by 1 year. Now, at 12 months, the child can feed himself with the cup. But while feeding from the cup, he will spill some of the contents. At 15 months, the child will pick up the cup, will feed himself, will drink, but without much spilling. At 18 months, the child can feed well using a spoon. So this all indicates the development of hand-to-mouth coordination. Now, when we talk of advanced hand skills, with the advancing age, the child can use the hands to perform more finer activities. So, at around the age of 15 months, the child can turn 2 to 3 pages of a book at a time, and also he can scribble on a paper if given a pen or a pencil. Also, if given blocks, he can make a tower of 2 blocks. Now, at the age of 18 months, he can build a tower of 3 blocks and also stroke with a pencil. Now, at 2 years of age, the child can stroke a circular stroke and also he can turn 1 page at a time and he can make a tower of 6 blocks. Now, at the age of 3 years, the child can copy a circle and also build a tower of 9 blocks. At 4 years, the child can copy cross and build a bridge with the help of the blocks. So, if a question comes, when a child will start making a bridge from the blocks, so it is at the age of 4 years. Now at 5 years, the child can copy a triangle and also can make a gate of blocks. At 6 years, the child can copy the diagonal lines. Also, some books says the child can draw a diamond. Some says the child can draw a diamond at the age of 7 years. So the child will start drawing a diamond at around 6 to 7 years of age. Now, when we talk of the dressing, between 18 to 30 months of age, the child are very eager to learn the dressing skills. But we should remember that it is the undressing which the child learns before as compared to the dressing, because undressing is easy. So, if at around the age of 1 year, the child will start to pull off his mittens, caps and socks. At around 18 months of age, the child can unzip, but he will fumble with the buttons. At 2 years, the child can put on the shoes and socks. So he has started dressing at 2 years, but now he can undress completely. At the age of 3 years, he can dress and undress fully. And at the age of 5 years, he can tie his shoelace